Hello, today we're going to unbox this science lab kit that Jacob got for his 6th birthday. I got it from Amazon for $19. So we're going to see what's inside. Okay, go. Open it. You've already removed the tape.
Oh, what is this?
That is, show it one by one. What is that? This one is a lab coat.
Ooh, let's do it. Let's wear it.
Later, let's do it first one by one. This one is color agent.
Red, blue, yellow.
Red, blue, and yellow. This is baking soda. Citric acid. So, important to note that when you run out of these, when you've consumed these, you can just buy from Shopee.
Okay.
This is, what is this? I think it's, what?
Can you open this? I think this is baking soda. We haven't saw baking
No,
soda.
this is, it's not tissue paper. I forgot what kind of, let's look at the material list. But it's like cloth.
I don't.
Okay, this one is
magnifying.
glass. And go, get them one by one. Say their names. What is that?
Potion.
Show it here.
Potion.
Potion jar.
Ooh.
There's a name for this for this type of jar. This is plastic, by the way, it's not glass. I forgot the name of this type of beaker.
Huh.
These are droppers in different colors. Okay, put them here again so that we can organize them. Make sure they're complete. This one is a test tube holder. So how do you use that, Jake? What do you put there? How many test tubes do you have? 1, 2, 3, and where's the last one? 4. Okay. Next, you have your measuring spoons.
What is this?
These are funnels.
What is this?
Hey, be careful,
What are
please.
these?
Those are balloons. How many balloons does it contain?
Just two.
Just 2. A yellow one and a
Ooh.
pink one. And what is that?
Goggles.
Goggles. Show them.
Can you open it?
Okay. You gotta put it on top of your glasses though.
Yeah.
So you won't be able to see. Like the glasses we wore yesterday.
Ah. Hi.
And then you have your measuring cups. 1,
I
2,
can still
3,
see it.
4, 5, 6 of those.
I can still see it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But you gotta still wear your glasses, Jake. You have your ID. We're gonna put your photo there. Forceps.
It's very hard.
This is a bigger measuring cup.
Look, that's why.
One measuring cup. Stirrer. And, oh, this is a note that I included in the Amazon checkout. It says here, oh, a gift for you. Dear Jacob, happy 6th birthday. We love you so much. From Mom and Dad. And this is a booklet of instructions. Let's show them. Hold on. Just a quick flip through. Science Lab Kit instructions. Oh, okay. I'm going to read one by one the items and then you look for it here, okay?
Okay.
And tell me, say, we have it, okay? Alright. First is baking soda. Do we have it?
Yes. We have it.
We have it? Okay, put it inside the box one by one. Put it inside the box first. Baking soda. Citric acid. Do we have citric acid? Can you look for it?
Citric acid. Oh no.
Okay, put it in the box. 3 color agents. Where are the color agents?
We have it.
We have it. Put it in the box. Large test tubes. 4 large test tubes with stand. Test tubes. They look like this.
Oh, okay.
Okay, put it in the box. And then 1 lab coat. This one. Let's fold it first. Oh, I know what these are now. They're called color catcher sheets. So there's 20 of these. Then you have 1 safety glasses.
They're actually doddles.
3 funnels. 1, 2, 3. 4 eyedroppers. Inside a plastic beaker.
Hello.
That's one, and that's
Hello?
one. Oh, and then the beaker comes with a stirrer. Yeah, it suits you.
I can still see it.
Yeah, but you still have to wear your glasses, okay? 2
No, I can
balloons.
still see it. I can still see
A
it.
magnifying glass. Small measuring cups. 6 small measuring cups. Tweezer pala, not forceps. Tweezer. A name badge. The measuring spoons. So that's it. We have all of the items.
Hello.
And, of course, the double-sided activity book. Hold on. Let's do a flip through.
Oh, they did.
So you have experiments like magic milk rainbow. Hold on. Walking rainbow. Rainbow cabbage. Oh, so you have to get some supplies from your home to do some of the experiments.
Okay.
So here also you need a disposable plate and dish detergent and milk. Sugar rainbow. Water
blown balloon.
So here in this experiment, you don't need any supplies from your home. Everything is here. Okay, let's skip a bit.
Let's see.
Egg inertia. You need an egg
Ooh,
and cardboard. Oh, you're gonna make a lava lamp.
Ooh, I want the lava lamp. I want the.
So all in all, there are 60 experiments.
Started electricity.
And so you know how some of the science kits do not have English instructions, they have Chinese instructions. This one has all English instructions, very clear with pictures. So that's it. That's the science kit unboxing. Really nice. Oh, we forgot pala this large measuring cup that goes here. Okay, we can't wait to do experiments because
Let's
this
go!
one wants to be a mad scientist.
Let's
Okay.
If there's anything funny in this or something else. Nothing. Oh, hey. I may not have created my ID yet, but we need straight up. And this is my mom who's recording it. And this is my science lab kit. I also have this. I have this magnifying glass. You can see a white part there. And these are my experiments. You hear a very, very clear noise when you put it near your ear.